I don't know if it's like a glow up as it is just like how to just do it yourself so that you can save money. You know, this girl's a little bit cray-cray. It's just what I do in my free time. Loving this vibe. My eyes are like, ah, that's probably gonna happen. So yeah, if you guys are into that. Dolls, it's your girl American Gyaru, and if you are new, welcome to the doll family. Please stay and subscribe. Okay, so here is the deal. Like, I'm definitely gonna be doing like a DIY, I'll call it a fall glow up. I'm literally gonna be like cutting my own hair. I'm gonna be putting in my own extensions, and these are only like 14-inch dolls, and mind you, my hair would definitely go for like an 18 to 20-inch, so I'm a little bit scared. I know like I wanted a little challenge like usuals, but I'm a little scared. I'm not gonna lie. And then I also want to attempt to do my own like eyelash extensions dolls, so I'm being very ambitious. And then to top it off, I'm gonna go ahead and do my own press-on nails. I just need to change it up a little bit, you know what I mean? Add some spice to my life. So dolls, I do have a disclaimer. I do not recommend this at home. Like, I just cut my hair all the time. I can handle like the mistakes. Even with the DIY eyelashes, like I literally like almost was like burning my eye last time. So again, I do not recommend. This is for entertainment purposes. I just gotta put it out there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna cut myself some bangs. Wish me luck. All right, here we go. First cut. Okay, so not too bad. Cleaning them off, and then we'll shake it off a little bit. This looks so uneven. That's probably because it's always been uneven, because I've probably never had it even to begin with. It looks like a decent, and seriously dolls, like really 14 inches, Dana, seriously, I'm screaming right now, like dead ass. Extension is going to go from the middle of my head, from my ear to the other ear, if that makes any sense. So I'm actually just tripping a little bit. I'm going to just do a little trim here. So we got some bangs, so I'm looking pretty cute. I must say myself. I like bangs. Definitely brings more youthfulness and playfulness, and it's like cute smart, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and shower. I'm gonna like get all this hair off me, and then while my hair is drying for the extensions, because I always like to wash my hair, because I know when I wear extensions, I don't really wash my hair as often, because I don't really want to get the extensions to get all like wet and stuff for it to be longer lasting. Ordered this like lash kit a while ago, and it came with like these tools. Any of you dolls done your own like lashes, or like do you guys get your eyelashes done? I mean, I was doing it for a while, but you know, it just adds up, and then you have to do these fills. Don't get me wrong, it definitely has a really nice polish and finish when you get your eyelashes professionally done, but honey, you ain't got that money to spend, so you know, we gotta be a little thrifty, which actually I don't mind, because I'm pretty resourceful and thrifty anyway. In fact, I love using things and creating things out of things that I already have, although I have to buy this set. But this is basically lashes that you can also buy. I got these from Amazon. They have like different sizes. Eyelash extension glue, and I got it on Amazon. I'm just gonna put it on the container. There we go. Whew, Mama's getting nervous, as I should. And these are my eyelashes. I like the dolly eye effect. Dolly eyes normally have like longer lashes, like right here in the middle. This should be mildly entertaining, I hope, for some. And the best case scenario is that it's a success, and that would be great. So basically, I'm just like putting it from the bottom up. I think I'm just going to grab a couple at a time. I'm sorry. I know this girl's lazy. This is the beginning right now. So now I'm going to work and go with some shorter lashes on the inside. You really got to be like patient, and girl don't got no patience. So good thing it's like Halloween around the corner, because this is going to be called my Black Widow lashes for sure, dolls. So this is how it looks. I can definitely do some more touch-ups, but I'm not gonna lie, like I actually had some glue in there, so it was kind of quite the struggle, dolls. So again, I do not recommend you dolls doing this on your own. My eyes are a little sore. That was pretty dangerous, me living on the edge. So I definitely wanted to install my tape and hair extensions. It comes with 20 in a pack, which is pretty standard that I'm finding. The best way to install them is to get a strand of hair, put one tape in on the bottom of that hair, and then put another one on the top. And then we're gonna use this to just make sure that it stays in place. I am just doing a quick little fill. Probably just do 4 on the bottom here, and then I'm gonna do 2 here and 2 here. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I'm gonna put 3 on the top area. Let's just get her done. Alright, so we have 2 more to go, dolls. Again, very subtle. It's a lot more fuller. So definitely love that. I'm actually like putting this out to the world, but I'm not gonna lie, like this is seriously like what I do. It's just what I do in my free time, I suppose, and when I need change, and I need change now, when I'm bored, I just like to dress up. I like to play around, you know? Alright dolls, so this is kind of the look right now. It's like, yes, I think it's really cute. I really love it. Very, very nice. Definitely better than I had imagined. And I guess I'll show you those the back, because I'm sure you guys will be like, oh my gosh, let me know those. Or I'm sure I'll find out when I'm editing, like just how horrible this, how crazy this must look in the back, because, you know, again, I don't have eyes on the back of my head, and this mirror really was pointless. But overall, dolls, I have to say I'm definitely loving this vibe. Let me know what you think. Cute little short fall nails. This is definitely gonna get me in the mood for like a nice, fun, like fall drink from Starbucks or Dunkin' or something like that. I just got myself a pumpkin spice latte, so I normally don't do holiday drinks. And yeah, and let's get into fall feelings. These I got from CVS. These are Impress Press-On Manicure. So these ones actually, dolls, they come with like sticky things on the back, and I don't like that because I like to use glue. If you dolls are just want to wear it for like temporary for just a day, then you can just use what they have here is like this little sticky tab. You can just peel that off, and literally it'll just obviously stick on your nail like that. I like to actually glue them on using nail glue so that it lasts, you know, 1 to 2 weeks. And so I literally I carefully peel the back side, the sticky stuff off. It comes right off, see? Nail pack came with like a prep pad, so, and a cute little filer, as well as a cuticle pusher. We can do the prep pad, why not, since it did come with it. So this is gonna help the press-on nail stick better to my actual nail. I am pretty tired here, but it's also at the same time very relaxing. And whenever I just think that having nails on, some cute nails on, can really change up your mood and make it a better one, because especially when they're as cute as this, where we've got little like rhinestones, super fall, total mood. I'm actually gonna have to clip my nails first. Definitely a highly not recommendable video for sure, but I do scratch the surface a little bit so that the glue will bond nicely to the fake nail. That's what I do, but just know that it's not going to be the best for your nail. I mean, it's obviously not going to be healthy. I'm going to be doing a lot of typing. I got a lot of editing and other work stuff that I've been doing on the computer, so yeah, I gotta keep it short so I can stay as efficient as possible. Right now I'm using this ultra quick nail glue. I like ultra quick glues. I don't really like gels because it can get sticky, and then it can sometimes the nail will actually move, and then it'll be slanted, and then I'll have some issues. So I like a quick nail glue, Nailing, I believe. Excuse me, Nailing, or I believe it's Ardell, the other glue that I do prefer using. I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse this part, and I will show you the final results. Bubbly, just these little like nails, not, well, yeah, little nails, but just having like your nails done, and seriously, it could be pressed on super, only like $7 at like the drugstore. Super affordable, can do so much. It just puts you in a really good mood. So I'm already smiley, but I hope you dolls enjoyed watching this video. And my next video, I'm gonna be doing an eye contact video. So this is actually not TTDI. I don't know, for some reason they haven't gotten back to me. The girl went on leave, the person I was speaking with, and that's like an eye contact company. I already filmed it and everything, but since I haven't heard back from them yet, I do have another contact company. It's more of the affordable eye contacts. So I'm super excited, and I'm gonna go ahead and film that. If you dolls do wear contacts, if y'all want affordable contacts and you guys want a discount, because I always try to get those discount codes for you dolls, so that just in case y'all, you know, want to save some monies and stuff like that, then I'm here to hook you up. I love you all so much. Stay beautiful, stay gorgeous, have fun, make mistakes, all good, you know, in the hood. Okay, so that's gonna sum up our video for today. I hope you found this video mildly entertaining. It's kind of like a fail win type of video, I guess, when it comes to like my challenges, but it's just the journey that I'm on, just experimenting and just doing things that I'm scared, but yeah, I'm gonna do it anyway, you know? Stay beautiful, stay gorgeous, stay amazing, because that's what you are. So do not let anyone else make you feel otherwise. Love you so much.